This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test at the weather radio station KIG 79, Rydersville, Ohio.
Helicopter, helicopter!
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending public information statement. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each day. If there is a threat of severe weather service in northern Indiana has issued Here is a public information statement.
How about no?
The National Weather Service in Wilmington, Ohio has issued a special marine warning for tornadoes.
What?
As a result of these storms, the National Weather Service in Mobile plans to conduct damage surveys in the coming days to assess the damage and confirm the details of what occurred. One tornado can be confirmed at this time. The National Weather Service can confirm a tornado occurred in Miami County, Ohio, near West Milton and City.